Let's summarize the important takeaways of what we need to understand about Oracle architecture and especially how Oracle uses memory. The first takeaway is that Oracle makes extensive use of caching to improve performance. This includes caching not just the data that your SQL statement may need to read or update, but also administrative information like table and index definitions and execution plans. Oracle contains sophisticated algorithms to manage each cache, and as a result, you can achieve a much higher throughput because Oracle is able to minimize how often it needs to perform expensive operations like reading data from the disk or recomputing an execution plan. The second takeaway is that we as developers, as much as possible, want to create applications that can take advantage of how Oracle caches data. In the module on bind variables in this course, we'll discuss why using bind variables maximizes statement and execution plan reuse, and why this is so critical for performance. And then, throughout much of the rest of this course, we'll talk about how SQL statements actually execute and how we can use indexing strategies to cut down on the amount of data a SQL statement needs to access. By cutting down on how much data a statement needs to read and process, we increase the likelihood that the majority of the data blocks the statement needs are already going to be in the buffer cache, and this will result in improved performance. The information presented here is just the proverbial tip of the iceberg as far as Oracle architecture is concerned. There are numerous books that have been written over the years on the subject, but for a good start, I recommend the Oracle Database Concepts Guide that you can access in either PDF or HTML format at the following links. The guide is very informative and is also very approachable in terms of readability, so it's a good document to have in your library to further your understanding of how Oracle works.